Hello friends, today we will see question and answer session of the human health and diseases chapter. Right now we will see very short answer questions. First of all, the first question, that is, what is the source of cocaine? And the answer is, the source of cocaine is coca plant. The botanical name of coca plant is Erythroxylum coca. Question number two is, name the diseases caused by smoking. There are various different diseases that cause by smoking, such as cancer, heart diseases, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, which are abbreviated as COPD, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis, as well as tuberculosis, which is abbreviated as TB. The next question is, which cells stimulates B cells to form antibodies? The answer is helper T cells. Helper T cells that stimulates B cells to synthesize and secrete antibodies in bloodstream. Right now we will see what does the abbreviation AIDS stands for. The answer is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next question, number 5, is, name the causative agent of typhoid fever. And the answer is Salmonella typhi. Question number 6 is, what is the Rh factor? It is antigenic protein present on human RBC discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener on RBC of rhesus monkey. It is also called as antigen D. Question number 7 is, what is Sysont? Answer is, it is mature stage of malarial pathogen Plasmodium in human RBC or erythrocyte. Question number 8 is, name the addicting component found in tobacco. It is nicotine. Question number 9 is, name the pathogen causing malaria, and we know well it is Plasmodium. Here we have studied there are four different types of malarial pathogen. That means the four different species of Plasmodium that cause malaria. But the perfect answer is only the Plasmodium, irrespective of its species. Question number 10 is, name the vector of filariasis. Filariasis, also known as elephantiasis, which is caused due to the Vauqueria, which is transmitted by the vector female Culex mosquito. Question number 11 is, give the name of causative agent of ringworm. Answer is fungal species of genera that belongs to genera Trichophyton and Microsporum. Right now we will see next question, define health. Health is defined by World Health Organization, that is WHO. According to WHO, health is defined as complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Right now we will see short answer questions. First question in this session is, what are acquired diseases? We will see the answer. Answer is, acquired diseases develops after birth of individuals during lifetime. Right now, these acquired diseases are classified into two types. First is communicable or infectious diseases, which are transmitted directly or indirectly from infected person to another healthy person. Classic example of infectious diseases is the malaria. There are number of infectious diseases, but we will see a single disease. The another type of acquired diseases is non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. These are not transmitted from infected person to another healthy person. For example, cancer. Right now we will see how the antigens are differentiated from antibodies? We know well antigen as well as antibodies. Right now, we will differentiate among these two entities. First of all, the antigen is any substance that triggers immune response in the body, while the antibody is blood protein that is produced against that specific antigen. Antigen is also known as immunogen, while antibodies are also known as immunoglobulin. Antigens can be either proteins or carbohydrates or lipids or nucleic acids, while antibodies are only glycoproteins in chemically nature. Antigens interact have interacting domain with antibody is called the epitope, while paratope is situated in antibodies. Antigen cause either disease or allergic reaction, while antibodies have function to protect the body from antigen by immobilizing antigen or lysing the pathogen. There are four types of antigens like exogenous antigen, endogenous antigen, autoantigen, and neoantigen. While immunoglobulins or antibodies have five types: immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E, and immunoglobulin D, as well as immunoglobulin A. Right now, we will see the third question. Name the infective stage of Plasmodium. Give symptoms of malaria. First of all, we will see the infective stage of Plasmodium is known as sporozoite. While there are different symptoms that related with the malaria, first of all, fever, headache, and chills. Later on, the classic symptom of malaria is cyclic occurrence of high fever followed by sweating and shivering. Third one is vomiting and convulsions, joint pain, which is known as arthralgia, anemia. Anemia is due to the ruptured RBCs. During rupturing of RBCs, the hemoglobin expels out of the RBC membrane, and that's why the condition is known as anemia. Next one is hemoglobinuria. Hemoglobin, which is comes out of the ruptured RBC, enters into the urine, and that's why such condition is known as hemoglobinuria. Liver enlarges, that condition is known as hepatomegaly. Then retinal damage, and last symptom of malaria is cerebral malaria. It is last stage which is caused due to the infection of brain by the malarial pathogen. Thank you friends. We will see in next session with another some questions